It is the year 1977. The Cold War is at its peak. Computers are bigger than rooms, and humanity has not sent yet a single object beyond the outer planets. But on September 5, 1977, a rocket rises from Cape Canaveral. Inside it, a machine no bigger than a small car, but carrying the biggest dream ever imagined. Its name, Voyeger 1. This is not just a spacecraft. It is a message in a bottle thrown into the cosmic ocean. In the 1970s, scientists discovered something extraordinary. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune were aligned in a rare way. This alignment happens only once every 176 years. This meant a spacecraft could visit multiple planets using their gravity like a shank sword. NASA decided to take the chance. Two spacecraft were built, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Voyager 1 were designed to fly past Jupiter and Saturn, then continue outward forever. In 1979, Voyager 1 reached Jupiter. For the first time in humanity, we saw Jupiter up close in stunning details. It captured images of violent storms, massive lightning bolts, and the Great Red Spot, a storm bigger than Earth itself. But the real surprise, it discovered volcanoes erupting on Io, one of Jupiter's moons. Active volcanoes outside Earth. This changed everything. Life might not be limited to our planet. In 1980, Voyager 1 reached Saturn. It sent breathtaking images of Saturn rings, thin, delicate, complex structures. But there was one moon scientists were most interested in: Titan. Titan had a thick atmosphere, something very rare for a moon. Voyager 1 flew close to Titan, collecting crucial data. And then something unexpected happened. Because of trajectory needed to study Titan, Voyager 1 pushed upward, out of the plane of the solar system. It would never visit Uranus or Neptune. Its journey was now different. It was heading out. Now, here is the most emotional part of the story. Scientists knew Voyager 1 would travel endlessly into the space, so they placed something special inside it, a golden disk called the Golden Record. It contained 150 images of Earth, sound of nature, wind, thunder, birds, music from different cultures, greeting in 55 languages, and even the sound of a heartbeat. It was humanity saying, "We were here." The Golden Record was curated by a team led by astronomer Carl Sagan. He once said, "The spacecraft will be encountered and the record played only if there are advanced spacefaring civilization in the interstellar space." But the launching of this portal into the cosmic ocean says something very hopeful about life on this planet. Imagine that somewhere millions of years from now, another civilization might hear our music. In 1990s, as Voyager 1 was leaving the solar system, Scientists turn it around for one last look at Earth from 6 billion kilometers away. The image it captures your Earth as a teeny pixel, suspended in a beam of light, just a pale blue dot. That photograph became one of the most powerful images ever taken. Carl Sagan later said, "Look again at the dot. There's here, there is home, there's us. Every war, every love story, every king and every beggar, all of it on that tiny dot." For decades, Voyager 1 kept traveling further than any human-made object. And then in 2012, it crossed a boundary. It left the heliosphere, the bubble of charged particles created by our sun. Voyager 1 had entered interstellar space, the space between stars. It became the first human-made object to do so. Even today, it continues to send data back to Earth. But here is something unbelievable. It takes more than 22 hours for its signal to reach us, and the same time for our command to reach it. A conversion that takes nearly 2 days. Voyager 1 runs on a nuclear battery, but its power is slowly fading. NASA engineers carefully turn off instruments to save energy. One by one, its scientific eyes are closing. Yet it continues moving. About 17 kilometers per second. It will keep drifting for billions of years. Long after Earth's changing, long after humanity is gone, Voyager 1 will still be traveling. Silent, carrying out story. Voyager 1 is more beautiful, more than 24 billion kilometers from Earth. This is so far that if you travel at the speed of a jet airplane, it would take over 40,000 years to reach. It is currently heading towards a distant star called Gliese 445, but it was not reached there for 40,000 years. Think about that timeline. Civilizations rise and fall in less time. Voyager 1 is not just a spacecraft. It is a proof that human curiosity has no limits. It reminds us that we are small, but we are capable of extraordinary things. A tiny space on a tiny planet around an ordinary star sent a machine into the darkness and said, "We want to know." So, the next time you look at the night sky, remember this. Somewhere out there, beyond the planets, beyond the sun influence, a small golden record is drifting between the stars, carrying our laughter, our music, our hope. Voyager 1 is not just exploring space. It is exploring eternity, and maybe one day some will answer it.